In this video, I'm going to show you the best OBS settings for recording so you can get crystal clear and professional quality recordings every time. If your recordings look blurry or laggy, these settings will help fix that and give you much better output. Once you apply these tweaks, you'll notice a clear improvement in your recording quality. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the OBS application and click on Settings. This will open a small settings window. From the left-hand side, go to the Output tab, and from the Output mode drop-down, select Advanced. Now switch to the Recording tab. Make sure the type is set to Standard, and for recording path, choose the location where you want your recordings to be saved. Next, for recording format, you can select Hybrid MP4 or MPEG-4. Both work perfectly fine. For the video encoder, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can select the NVENC encoder for better performance and quality. If you're using an AMD graphics card, you can go with HEVC-H265 or H264 AVC hardware encoder options. And if you don't have a dedicated GPU, then you can simply choose X264, which uses your CPU for encoding. And for the audio encoder, keep it set to FFmpeg AAC. Under audio track, by default, only one track is selected, but if you're recording from multiple sources like a microphone and system audio, you can enable an additional audio track. Now scroll down to the encoder settings, set rate control to CBR, and for bitrate, this is where quality really matters. If you want the best recording quality, set the bitrate to around 18,000 kilobits per second. If you're using a lower end system, you can keep it between 15,000 and 18,000 bitrate value. And if you're recording in 4K, increase it to around 24,000 to 30,000. Set the keyframe interval to 2 seconds, the CPU usage preset to very fast, and the profile to high. Leave the tune options set to none. Once you've applied all these settings, click Apply to save your changes. Next, go to the Video tab on the left-hand side. Here, make sure your base canvas resolution is set according to your display resolution, and your output scaled resolution is also set to the same value. If you're not sure what your display resolution is, you can easily check it. Just open Windows Settings, go to the System tab, and click on Display. On the Scale and Layout, you'll see your display resolution. Use that exact resolution for both the base canvas and output settings in OBS. Now for the common FPS value, set it to 60 FPS for the best and smoothest recording. If you're using a low-end system, you can set it to 30 or 48 frames per second to avoid lag during recording. After making these changes, click Apply to save everything, then click OK to close the OBS settings. That's it. After applying these tweaks, you should notice a clear improvement in your recording quality and no more blurry videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.